it's Davita. Welcome back. The video I'm doing for you today, two colors, and it's black and white, and it's along the lines of the last couple of videos I've done. So I'm trying to create some cells, pearls, using satin enamels. So the previous video I did, the base was blue. I'm using the same recipe, but only using black and white. Yeah. So I'm going to pan you down. I've already got my canvas prepared. It is, let's see, a 12 by 24 canvas, gallery wrapped canvas. Got our fingers crossed that we don't mess up this really nice canvas. I did do a practice tile, and this is the result I got. Still a little wet. So I am hoping to get the same reaction, but on a larger canvas. For my base, instead of Satin Enamels white, I used Satin Enamels black. So in the recipe of my previous pours, we're going to replace the white satin enamels with this one. Okay, so I'm going to pan the camera down, get everything situated, and we're going to get this pour started. Okay, here we go. So I painted the sides because this paint, base paint, is really thin. So I wanted to make sure I had adequate coverage. And you can see the consistency is almost like water. So it's very, very thin. So let's get started. I'm going to put a puddle right in the center. Okay. Spread it out a little bit. You see how easily that paint is moving on the canvas? It's very thin consistency. So let's torch some of those air bubbles. In addition to using the Satin Enamels black, I also used some Floetrol black. So I'll list all the ingredients in the description bar below. So here is our white. Let's move some things out the way. Here we go. Got our fingers crossed. Hope we get something really pretty here. Okay. Alrighty. Here we go with the little tilt. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's give it a little torch. Corner that didn't get covered, so let's cover that. And let's see, make sure we're still in focus. Okay. And we're back. So as you can see, it did get a good reaction to the white being poured over the black base. I didn't want to torch it a lot because I wanted the sails to appear naturally. But you can see like the areas here, the little tiny sails, that's where it was torched. But these sails here, those are all natural. They popped up on their own. I let it sit for about, I would say about 10-15 minutes. I did add another white strip here, and as I tilted it, this area here moved some more. So you'll see that variation from the beginning to the end. It is a minimalist pour. I really like the way it turned out. I really think it's pretty. It's very simple. This technique is so simple. It's just a matter of getting the right consistency with your paints, and you know, you can get something really pretty, really dramatic, but yet simple. So that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in today, this afternoon. I'm really happy with this. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye.